Hey guys, I'm Shahad. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching again. So I have bought a new, well, not new to me, but they're like some kind of old hyped up makeup that I really wanted to try, but I didn't have the time either, or couldn't get it, you know. I just wanted to pop on here and play with these kind of makeup and show you and talk about them. So I thought, like, maybe I've been wanting to try this foundation for like maybe 3 years now, probably. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I mean, everybody just tried it except me, and I don't know if actually it's the right shade or not, but we're still gonna work with that. That is fine. And I have this is actually the new Physicians Formula highlighter. Thank you. And I have the Persali Jelly Beam. This is in the shade Rose Gold. I've been seeing that so much on Instagram and I really wanted one, so I got this one. And I got the Milani Bold Obsessions palette. I believe this is old as well, but I just wanted to try Milani eyeshadows because I know like everybody's talking about Milani and how like so good their products are, and at the same time they're drugstore products, so I really wanted to try that out. And I also got the Milani Big Blush. This is in Dolce Pink, I believe. Yeah. Okay, and correct me if I'm wrong, this is a dupe for NARS's Orgasm blush. So I really wanted these stuff like for like years now, but I finally said why not, like I don't know, I just wanted to, I want that. I'm really scared about the foundation shade. I don't know, I got this in the shade Creamy Vanilla, which is #1. It may be too light for me, but I do know that they oxidize and they tend to get a little bit darker. And what is that? Hello. So I don't know, so I'm gonna prep my face with a MAC Fix Plus. Why am I scared? Okay, so here she is. I'm just gonna pop it on and we'll see, and we'll pray to God that this is the right shade. I'm gonna pop it right on the back of my hands. Oh, now I think this is, wow, it looks like it's a great shade, to be honest, so we're gonna have to see. Oh, she thick. Oh, the consistency, Hunty. Where have you been? I think it's a little bit lighter, as I suspected. I am a little brownish, but we'll see once it settles down and everything works. And like, I'm not gonna do something like, oh, fancy with my eyes. I'm just gonna do like the regular, but I really wanted to try out these products. They're old, but they're like so hyped and people still use them because, I mean, I can actually see why people actually like this foundation. It is so thick and it is buildable, of course, and also the coverage is so beautiful. Oh, that is much better. I'm so sorry. I was a ghost just 5 minutes ago. Anyway, so this oxidized, not in a bad way, because I am loving this shade. It matches perfectly. Coverage is beautiful, actually. It is. So, but I don't want more, so that is fine. For concealer, there's anything new or old I wanted to try. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty concealer. For setting powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder in the shade Banana. I feel like Fenty Beauty conquered like everything, and I mean everything. Okay, but before I set my face, I just remembered first I set my under eyes and my eyelids because I don't want to prime them. I want to give the Milani palette its like moment and see how it really works without an eye base. I'm gonna use the Persali Jelly Beam. There she is. She's all bougie. Persali. And this is the shade. Whoa, it really is jelly. Look at that. She's twerking. I'm gonna pick that up with my fingers and I'm just gonna pop it right where I want it to be. And ooh, where have you been? Where have you been? Oh my life. And here as well. Wow, okay, this would have been really nice if it was under as well. You can actually use that before the foundation. So like under the foundation, on top, your skin, whatever. But I wanted to try it out this way because on top we are using powder highlighter. And it's not thick. It doesn't have a smell to it or anything. Continue to set the face, but not the place where I actually put the highlighter, because why did I do that in the first place? you know what I mean. And to set the whole face, again, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter powder, and this is in the shade Banana, as I said. Okay, and for bronzer, I'm going with my Hoola Benefit. And I really want to bake. Like today, I feel like I just want to bake. So I'm gonna bake. I watched Jaclyn Hill's latest video, and I was like, she looked, you know, I don't know. I just wanted to bake because she baked and it was nice. And I'm not talking about cakes. The same powder I set my face with, which is the Fenty Beauty. Contour the nose now. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly just do my brows, and as usual I'm using my Benefit Brow Contour Pro and the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. Now that we're done with the brows, I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad baby up. There she is. It's actually mostly nude. This is what I really used to like all nudes, nothing like special or nothing more colorful, like so boring. But that was me. Ooh, okay. Look at all these shades. Wait. Okay, I might do a swatch, I don't know, but these are mainly nudes. I'm happy, she's happy. I'm just gonna do a natural look, so let's get started. So like there is 6 shimmery shades, kind of shimmery, not like woohoo shimmery, and the rest is just matte. Again, I'm gonna use this white shade, and I'm gonna pop it right underneath the brow bone because this is where I use. Whoa, okay, wait. She's pigmented. Okay, I did not expect that. Next shade I'm gonna dip in is this nude shade right here, which is called Sweet as Honey. And I'm gonna pop that right over the crease. I am actually surprised I did not use an eye base for that, and this is actually pigmented. Next shade I'm gonna go is with this dark brown right here. I'm gonna take just a little bit and just start under the crease, the outer part of the eyes. Again, I'm taking this shade right here and I'm blending upwards. I like where this is going. This is like so subtle, so like basic, nothing too much. And with my finger, I'm gonna dip in this one right here. I like this one better. And I'm gonna take it right up to where my crease is, because I don't want that shade to do it for me, because it's gonna ruin the whole look, if you know what I mean. And then again, I'm gonna take a dark brown shade, and I'm gonna for the lower lash line, I'm gonna dip in this first shade we dipped right here. And for the outer part of the eye, I'm taking this darker brown shade. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and come back to do the rest of the face and eye as well. Okay, so both eyes are done now, and I put on mascara. I'm gonna go in with my Lash Stash by Certify, and I'm going in with the style Alluring, just so fluttering. As you'll see, like I used to really hate false lashes, but now I cannot not use them. They do make a difference. She's flying. I'm wearing a fan. Okay, so now that we're done with the eyes and everything, now it's time for blush. Okay, so first I'm going in with the blush, and this is in the shade Dolce Pink. Now I'm not sure, I can't remember if this is actually the shade that they said that is kind of like a dupe for orgasm. Oh, cute! Look at that! It has like a mini brush that I won't need to use. Oh. Okay, so today we learned a lesson that Milani is like the Sephora of drugstore. And now I'm going in with my Physicians Formula butter highlighter. This is in the shade Pearl. There she is, and you open her up like that. Oh, she is pigmented. Look at that. Okay, for lips I have a combo. First I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm going with the Anastasia matte lipstick in the shade Spice. And on top of that, I'm using the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And there we have it, you guys. This is the final look. I loved everything. I am so mad that I did not actually get to play with these earlier, but like, better late than never, right? The only thing that's new here, I think, is the Physicians Formula butter highlighter, I believe. This came out like a while ago, not too long ago. Other than that, I love the Milani foundation, and it is so perfect. It is full coverage. It does oxidize, so if you are like a little bit on the lighter side, you have to just be careful with the shades because they do oxidize. I love the palette. It comes in handy, and if you're like a very neutral nude person, it isn't pricey. You can find it in the drugstore. It's pigmented. I like use them without any base or anything or primer, and it's so beautiful. The Versali Beam Jelly, loved it so much. Would definitely recommend. I'm still gonna, I think I just want a few other products from her because she has the bomb things. Highlighter 100%. Yeah, and everything is great. Life is great. You are great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Tell me how's Ramadan going. I forgot to tell you, happy Ramadan, Ramadan Mubarak. This is all I have today and now. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.